Yes.
Please allow. My lord, in item number 1, my lord, we need to file one additional affidavit, my lord. Because, my lord, during pendency of the case, some temporary settlement has been granted to some other persons.
Wait, see, wait.
Lordship, I am paying for listing this case, madam. Any day before vacation, madam. Obliged.
Eight place, Madam. Item 28, Your Lordship, for others. What has happened? We have misplaced the file, Your Lordship. Only some time may be given to us to regenerate the file.
Caste status,
Call them.
regarding caste status.
Caste certificate.
Huh?
That has not been fully complied with. Taken instruction. Yes, sir.
Who is appearing in item 28?
I will, Lord.
Have you spoken to the other side?
No, I'll try
You
to.
please speak to them, not like that.
I
Not
will
like this.
inform them.
Not like this. You speak to them beforehand.
May
Yes.
Lordship, beg to mention listing of an item on next week, Lordship. It was last listed on 7/8, Lordship. Okay. Obliged, Lordship.
That's on Monday.
Yes, madam.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition for orders, lordship.
New, okay. Give a date.
On 11, lordship is very urgent, lordship.
11. Okay, 11. 11.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 29, my lord. Item number 29, the matter is infructuous, my lord.
Okay, right. Mr.
A Bhattacharjee.
A. Bhattacharjee, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the writ petition has become infructuous. Who is appearing for the other side? State of Assam. Miss Yudas appears for respondents number. For 1245. And Miss
Respondent number 3.
1, 2, and 4, and Miss
A. Chakraborty for respondent number 3.
A. Chakraborty appears for respondent number 3. The prayer of the petitioner's counsel is allowed. Writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn. Is dismissed as infructuous.
May I please, Your Lord? I beg to mention listing of a contempt petition unlisted, my lord.
Unlisted. New.
New, my lord. My lord.
When?
Today, my lord.
Why?
My lord, item number 2 of today's list, my lord, is similar to the unlisted matter, my lord.
So,
Both were filed on 30 of November.
by
my
the same
lord.
person.
Same person, my lord. They have arisen from the same set of writ petition.
So, why should the same person file two contempt?
Because, my lord, it's related admitted contractual liability, my lord. Out of the same work order, 2 different enterprises were given work order issued by the Water Resource Department.
So,
After that, my lord, it was.
why should it be today? What's the hurry?
My lord, similar matter, my lord.
No,
More matter.
no. Let it be next week.
All right. I think one for more.
What is your case?
My lord, my case is that, my lord, I was being selected, my lord, but I was being deprived from getting the.
Who was selected?
Uh,
Let us see your selection. Let us see the letter.
Lordship will see the first NIT, my lord.
Yes, first NIT. Page
Lordship will see at page 23 to 26, my lord.
23 or 26. Which one?
Start from
23.
23.
It starts from 23 and ends at 26. Okay. So this is NIT dated 4/2/16. Yes.
Fine.
What happened to this?
Thereafter, my lord, I was granted provisional work order, my lord,
Where?
at page 27,
Page 27.
my lord.
Dated. What is it? Letter of intent.
Yes, my lord, that is the one.
Letter of intent
Hmm.
dated 11/3/16. Issued to whom? Issued to
Me, my lord.
Khairul Islam.
Yes, my lord.
Now, is the petitioner Khairul Islam?
My lord,
No.
my wife, my lord.
Your wife?
No, my lord, I was the petitioner, now wife is.
No, your wife is not the petitioner, sorry. Yeah, your wife is the petitioner. You're not a living person.
No, my
You
lord.
see, Khairul Islam, letter of intent issued to Khairul Islam in 2016. What happened?
Then, my lord, My order was, my lord, stopped for the value page 28.
Page 28, what happened? Page 28,
28, they said, my lord,
the provisional letter of intent, provisional, they said provisional letter of intent.
yes, my lord.
Provisional letter of intent issued to Khairul Islam on 11/3, dated, so is rescinded,
My lord.
rescinded.
Then, my lord, he died, my lord.
Ah.
Then, my lord, we filed a writ petition,
No, Mr. Council, one thing,
Lord,
that person cannot file.
my lord.
Let us be very clear. It has been rescinded, letter of intent rescinded. And this letter
My
is
lord,
of 13/4/2017.
my lord.
Now, did Khairul Islam challenge this letter?
Yes, yes.
Then let us see, where is the challenge?
Lordship will see at page 82, my lord.
Page
82.
82, let us see page 82.
During pendency,
Khairul-
he died, my.
Okay, so then it debates, there's nothing left.
Lordship will see again, my lord.
WPC, just a minute, 3285 of 17 was filed and the order dated
Order Lordship will see at page 86, I have been given
86,
86 granted,
2922.
my lord,
The writ petition stands closed,
my lord, on withdraw.
not being pressed.
Withdraw
Finish.
the liberty to file a fresh. Thereafter, I filed another writ petition, my lord.
No. This writ petition is filed by whom?
This instant writ petition filed by the wife of the Khairul man.
But where is her? Where is her right? How can she step into the shoes of, this is for a fishery?
No, my
What
lord.
is it for?
Stan Mahal.
San Mahal. Nothing doing. Housewife will take over the San Mahal.
My lord, my money, everything is there, my lord.
Money, what money? You will give, you will get back your money. We'll direct that.
And
No.
another thing, my lord, Lordship will see, my lord. During pendency of the case, subsequent development has taken place.
Mr. Counsel,
Again,
yeah.
you have to file.
Husband has died. The thing has been rescinded in 2017. Now it's 2024. Next, in another 3 weeks' time, it's going to be 2025. No case.
Lordship, can I make one small submission, my lord? Lordship fix the matter on Monday, my.
No, I'm dismissing it now. No case. No case at all.
My lord, instead of
And
dismissing, my
especially-
lord, I'll maybe permitted, my lord.
You see, and if you remember that notification of 29/6/2024 passed by this court, this has been set aside by this court with regard to cancellation of all the tender process of Mahals, rivers, I mean, all that, Hudson. There's no case here, and you're the wife, Mr. Counsel. Supposing someone is given a contract for building a 100-kilometer road, he dies, his wife will come and say, I am the contractor now. Can it be? No case. Yes, so. Nothing doing.
What I want before your lordship, my lord, let the matter may come up on Monday. my
No,
lord.
no, sorry,
I'll take
sorry.
instruction if necessary.
No,
we'll
no,
withdraw it.
no, nothing.
And during pendency of the case, my lord, they have granted the settlement to some third party.
Correct. No case. Right. You're withdrawing or I'm dismissing?
My lord, that's what I need some instruction, my lord. That's
Okay,
why-
yeah, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. That's all. No time behind that.
Not to, my lord, before that, my lord.
Okay, anytime. You just.
Yeah, I'll just
interrupt
come
him.
and-
Yes, yes. Okay, right. Heard, Mr. R. Chakrabarti, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner's contractual dues has not been paid despite the order dated 12/6/24 passed in WPC 5844/2022. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents by a registered post with AD within 3 days, list the matter after 4 weeks. They have not decided till now.
No, till now. So a communication has.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. A.K. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner's representation has not been decided till date, despite the order dated 1/12/23. 23.
Right.
passed in WPC 164723. Same thing, huh? You should notice it. 3 days.
My senior could not appear on behalf of him, I am appearing. On the earlier occasion, my lord, your lordship had asked us to show the documents which we have uploaded, my lord, in the portal, my lord. Your lordship may kindly come to page, my lord, 57 of my retribution.
57.
740, annexus 740.
Yes.
My lord, this is a document which we have received from the G portal. We have uploaded all the documents, my lord. In the first certificate, this is a drug license. The first, your lordship may kindly see the KMP oblique 12099 oblique KMP oblique 21. And in the right column, it is shown that upload certificate, drug license, complete PD. That means they have, it has been uploaded. This reflects. Then second.
What has been uploaded is the expired license. No.
Yes, my lord, that was
They are
not-
saying it's an expired license.
that was not accepted by the portal, since it was not digitized form. That is why the catalog was not approved. So, my humble prayer is that at least this may be accepted, that my drug license. may
The
be
only
accepted.
problem is this is a question of fact. You are saying that you uploaded it, but it was not accepted. Now they are saying that it is, if it was uploaded, it would have been accepted. Now this is a question of fact. Now who do believe?
My lord, in support of this, my lord, I have filed an additional affidavit showing all the hard copies of the documents, my lord. These are the documents, my lord.
Then can they be considered?
Lordship, as per my instruction, yesterday the financial bid has been opened, Lordship. And PSC 57, Lordship, this is local chemist empanelment service. This is maybe for empanelment, Lordship. It is not
It's not for this
for
other.
bid, Lordship, bid documents,
It's not for this NIT.
Lordship. And today also I.
So it is, so this page 57, it does not pertain to this NIT dated 4/10/24.
Lordship, as
Is
per
it?
my instruction, Lordship, today
No, my lord.
itself I have
How can-
taken the
how-
instruction,
Okay, then you give a small affidavit
Lordship,
or some document.
Lordship.
No, see, this is a question of fact, madam. I do not know. No, now, I cannot pass an order on the basis of
Your lordship, kindly come to
disputed
page
questions of fact, huh?
Kindly come to page 21, madam.
21.
21. This is the open tender notice, madam. Open tender notice that was issued on 4/10/2024.
Correct,
Against this,
correct.
yes, and against this, we, as per the requirement, which is mentioned in page 23, my lord, eligibility criteria. Criteria establishing.
Madam, I understand all that. You see, what,
Against this, we have submitted the uploaded documents.
madam, the problem is they are saying no. What to do? Should I pass an order because you look more believable or she looks more believable? Can it be done on face value? It is a one word against the other. Now she's saying
Yes,
that the document relied upon by you, which is at page 57, does not relate to this NIT dated 4/10/24.
my lord.
Now what to do?
My lord, your lordship may kindly see the documents which is required by them. It is mentioned in this eligibility criteria, my lord. Online bids will be rejected if this securing declaration is not uploaded. My lord, we have uploaded all these documents, my lord, as per these requirements. And now they are saying that these are not the documents, that is required by.
No. She's talking about, you come to page 58, it says Local chemist empanelment service.
Lordship, may kindly see page 21, Lordship.
Now,
In
you see, you are relying upon this, she's saying that the documents that the document you have relied upon at page 57 relates to local chemist empanelment service, while the NIT relates to what?
Lordship,
My lord,
page 21,
Your
instruction to bidders, serial number 1, Lordship.
your lordship.
Bidders
may
should be
kindly-
required to register on GEM under the category
Category
local
of
chemist
local chemist
and empanelment.
empanelment.
This registration itself was not, Lordship, accepted. And therefore initially he has to register in the GM portal, Lordship. Thereafter, he has to submit. the-
Okay, so you file an affidavit,
My
small
lord,
affidavit.
we are already in the existing, my lord,
Yeah.
earlier, my lord, tender. We are empaneled, we are already empaneled, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see at the page, my lord, your lordship order, my lord.
No, you see, the problem is, madam, the problem is, they are saying that you are not registered on the GM.
My lord, we are already registered. In
Okay.
fact, we are still supplying, as per the earlier tender, we are still supplying medicine to the welfare center. My lord,
Only problem is, that is all right. Only problem is, you did not, you did not upload your license, which according to you, you uploaded, but the portal did not accept.
because my lord.
Now, this is a question of fact,
Since-
madam. How do I?
since We are registered, that is why we could upload the certificate without our.
No, I'm talking about the license.
Yes,
The
that's
license was uploaded, what was the reasoning given that it was expired?
page 56.
Ah.
The upload certificate is expired, kindly upload the renewal certificate. We approached the, my lord, concerned authority. Concerned
Yes,
authority-
madam, what to do? You have said that it is expired, it is not expired.
It is not expired.
Lordship, in December, it will expire, Lordship, therefore new. And
December, it might expire, but as on date, it is valid. Then,
26, it is going to expire, 26th of year, 2026, it will expire.
so you open her bid also in the meantime.
Lordship,
You open the bid of the petitioner also in the meantime.
Lordship, already financial bid has been opened, Lordship.
Correct, then you open their bid also. Any work order issued,
So it
supply
may
order,
work order not issued, Lordship.
work order not issued.
It may be taken up next week, Lordship. In the meantime, we will file a short affidavit, Lordship.
Well, then next week, well, then it will, our fiction will be infectious.
Correct,
Because
it
last
becomes
time
infectious.
was given
Right.
For submission, and in the meantime.
Alright,
we have
miss.
to six months.
Your name,
Yes, for her term.
S. Borpatra Cohen, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that.
Lordship, he is not even registered, Lordship. He is, as per my instruction, his bid documents was not uploaded. After, without registration.
So you
Lordship,
file your affidavit
Yes,
within 3 days.
by next week, Lordship, matter may be fixed,
In the meantime, status quo will be maintained then.
Lordship.
Okay, who submits that? The petitioner's drug license, which is valid up to 31/12/2020,
2026, ma'am.
2026, could not be uploaded in the GM portal, comma, pursuant to the NIT dated 4/10/2024. Could not be uploaded, it was uploaded.
It was uploaded.
No, who submits that, though uploaded in the GM, no, though uploaded in the GM portal pursuant to the NIT dated 4/10/2024 was rejected,
Was not accepted.
was
by
not
the
accepted.
GM.
was not accepted, comma, on the ground that on the ground that the drug license had expired.
Not expired, ma'am. It is shown except, but it is not in a digitalized form. Our.
Not in
It's
the,
not expired. Now, if they have written not expired. Upload is not, is expired.
Huh?
In page 56, they have written the upload certificate is expired. Kindly upload renewed certificate.
that is what I've said, it
Yes,
is
yes,
expired.
yes.
What do you mean not in the GD?
Yes.
It has said it's expired.
This
Now, why are you changing the word?
government.
Had expired. Gustav. Miss R. Devi, Learned CGC. Submits that she will file an affidavit within
By, let's say, Wednesday.
within 6 days.
Okay.
List the matter on
Friday.
Friday. That is, status quo as on today shall be maintained till the next day.
Also, I have taken instruction, lordship will pass the appropriate order.
Yes. Okay, right. Heard. Mr. J.I. Barboya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who praised that who praised that the impugned order dated 13/4/2017 passed by the respondent number 3 which page, that is which, where is that page?
Page 28.
And I'm imposing cost also.
No, my lord.
And I'm imposing cost. When this is you're trying to take advantage.
No, my lord, I have filed a rate petition.
No, you can file an appeal against the order.
My lord, cost, my
Right.
lord.
A cost will be imposed. You cannot take advantage. Your husband died, your husband is the Mahaldar. You're going to be the Mahaldar. Now you say that you should be given. What is this? You're trying to take advantage. Right. You have taken a decision, I will take mine.
No, my lord. Oh,
What have I said? Should be whereby the provisional letter of intent issued to MD Khairul Islam, while letter dated 11/5/2006 for granting mining permit area. Granting mining permit area in respect of Boha sand permit area. Was rescinded. What did this read it again? I forgot the thing. Rescinding the letter of intent, granting mining permit area to Boha sand permit area, comma, should be set aside. Full stop. The petitioner's case is that the petitioner's husband, Khairul Islam, had submitted his bid pursuant to tender notice dated 4/2/2016. Pursuant to, no, for collection of sand in the Chaparmukh Kopili Nodi Sand Permit Area Part 1 B. No, which one is it? For the, wait again, for the Boha Sand Permit Area of 2016-80. Next para. No, comma, here and after referred to as the NIT. Next. The Bid submitted by MD Khairul Islam was accepted and no, not was accepted and he was issued provisional letter of intent in respect of the mining area of Boha Sand Permit Area of 2016-17 bracket REV portion bracket close for a period of 2 years for the total quantity of 2160 CUM of sand. Full stop. However, by letter dated 13/4/2017, the provisional letter of intent issued to MD Khairul Islam, by letter dated 11/5/2016, was rescinded with immediate effect on account of gross irregularity in determination of the government value, as well as the fact that eco-sensitive zone of the nearest protected area, that is Pobitara Wildlife Sanctuary, was yet to be notified by the government of India. It was also stated in the said letter that the Boha Sand mining permit area under Nagaon district would not be put to sale under the provisions of the AMMC rules, 2013 until further order. Full stop. Next paragraph. Being aggrieved by the letter dated 13/4/2017, MD Khairul Islam filed WPC number 3285 of 2017.
Page 86.
WPC number, next para, 3285 of 2017 was dismissed, was closed as not being pressed on the prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner, with liberty being granted to the petitioner to approach the court afresh. Oh, no, before that, just before that, you just say, during the pendency of WPC 3285 of 2017, Sri Khairul Islam expired and his wife, the present petitioner, substituted MD Khairul Islam. Full stop. Next para. WPC number 3285 2017 was closed as not being pressed with liberty to approach again, if so advised, by order dated 2/9/2022. Full stop. The order dated 2022/9 2022. States as follows, page 86. Huh? Next para. The present petitioner, who is the wife of MD Khairul Islam, approached this court by WPC 6393 of 2022. However, the same was withdrawn with liberty to file afresh. Wide order dated 1/2/2023, which is reproduced herein below as follows. Page 142. Next para. The petitioner's counsel submits that pursuant to the order of the Supreme Court. Yeah. On 3/6/2022, passed in IA number 1000 of 2003, arising out of WPC number 202 of 1995. The directions contained in para 55, 56.5, 56.1, 56.4 and 56.5 have been modified. What is the change? What is this? Okay, anyway, decide. Anyway, dismiss. I'll pass the order later.
That part, my lord, modified and government has also re-evaluated.
So it has,
Only one thing, my lord,
so now,
Since
so,
your lordship.
no,
is
you see, you have got no right.
Yes,
Your husband was given the mahal. It was rescinded. He has died. Who are you to claim that? What is your right?
now I am widow, my lord. At least my
Yeah.
security deposit, my lord, that may be released.
Huh?
I am now widow, my lord. That's
Naturally, you have to be
my lord.
he
my
died long
security deposit
time back.
Deposited by husband, that may be released.
Yeah, only trying to play around with the thing. I do not know, but I'm going to impose cost.
My lord, that may not be.
You, some amount you have to pay. Little amount, at least 500. So that even if you file an appeal, that 500 will go into cost and it'll go somehow.
That may not be.
Maybe 5,000 also. I don't know.
That may not be, my lord. I'm a widow, my lord.
Very cunning widow.
It. Huh?
After 1 month, get lost. Ah,
May I please?
yes, item
Item five.
Huh?
Five.
5, yes.
Uh,
What is page, item 5?
Item five. What had happened, Your Lordship, in this case? There was a
Yes, why is the government not taking action against this officer?
My lord, maybe.
You take action. He- In fact, the entire, he's, I think, in cahoots in the manner he's doing things. Right. Right, Mr.
ZZ Ahmed.
G. Z. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that although the
Information officer.
Assam Information Commission in its order dated 14/8/2023. 14/8,
14.
Huh?
14/8/2020.
14/8/2023. Page
Page 59. and
59 is,
Uh.
59 is, okay.
The last part.
Yes, in its order dated 14/8/2023, has recorded adverse findings against the hearing officials and recommended appropriate action to be taken against the said official in being a party to hiding of the file, which has apparently illegally partitioned a dog, without serving any notice to the petitioner, who is one of the recorded patedars, the respondent authorities have not taken a decision till date. To stop. The operative, no, the relevant portion of the order dated 14/8/2023 passed by the Assam Information Commission is reproduced herein below as follows. Page 60, okay, in red, I put it, okay. Okay. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks.
My lord,
Ms. Udas accepts notice on behalf of
328, my lord.
328.
My lord.
Mr. S. Datta accepts notice on behalf of
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Petitioner to take step for service of notice upon the respondents number 9 to 11 by registered post within 3 days. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Like,
Lordship, Your Lordship, permits Your Lordship. Item 28, I had made a mention in the morning. I have taken consent. Your Lordship. That time I.
What is that item 20?
28, Your Lordship. The custom, Your Lordship.
Yes, who's appearing?
Lordship,
Who's appearing?
I have taken consent of Bora, Mrs. Bora, RB Bora.
Okay, right. On Mr.
ZZ Ahmed.
GZ Ahmed, land counsel for the petitioner submits that, please that the matter may be adjourned and submits that he has taken the consent of Ms. RB Bora, land counsel for the respondent. Accordingly, list this matter
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
after 3 weeks, after the vacation.
Much of it.
Item 6.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Huh?
He would have met Your Lordship may dispose of as Your Lordship.
No, but where is your, where is your voter? Where is it? In which, where does it show that you are a D voter?
2005.
Where, which page?
Page 24.
Huh?
24.
24.
24. Okay, 24. 2005. In respect of 39 Jaleshwar, no, Okay. Jaleshwar, LAC, na?
Yes.
Similar matter.
Huh?
In the
Ah,
similar
yes.
matters,
So it will be, so we will dispose it of. Yeah, heard, Mr.
Sanuddin,
N.
Sanuddin.
N. Uddin. Who else? Mr.
My lord, I am for respondent number two,
J. Payang
J-
for
2, 4, 6 and 7.
and
Two,
then
four,
who else?
H. Kuli,
For
behalf of Mr. AI, and for respondent number 3.
H. Kuli.
Yes.
H. Kuli. For respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3.
You are appearing on behalf of someone.
From Mr. AI.
AI Ali. Miss Udas for okay. So
Respondent number
so
1.
so SP border Golpara will take care.
Yes. My lord, respondent number 1.
Mr. S. Roy.
Yes. See this.
Okay. I will tell. Heard Miss D. Angana, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner's contractual dues of 1465,418 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks, Mr. For
PhD department, respondent
for
number
the PhD department,
for the respondent.
accept notice for all the respondents,
All the respondents.
All the
PhD department is the only respondent.
all the respondents. This is the matter of the 4 weeks. Heard Mr.
H. Kandakar.
A.K.H. Khandakar who submits that the petitioner's supply bill for rupees 64,02432 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Ms. Sivdas accept notice on behalf of
All matters.
all the respondents. This is the matter of the 4 weeks.
My lord,
Yes,
this matter may be taken on witness. I will obtain instruction or the representation.
Actually, there are a series of repetition, actually. He was being misled, I think, by the party.
That is why, if the representation is disposed of the guy,
Series of, otherwise also representation, if not dispose of lordship, then dispose it also.
that's all.
that's,
We'll dispose it of that way.
that's,
There's nothing here.
Nothing,
otherwise.
they will.
Very see.
Heard Mr.
MK Hussain.
M.K. Hussain, learned counsel for the and Mr. Put something in, it's not there. Yeah, for the AFDC.
Lots.
Okay, that's right. That's right, para 9. In the event that the petitioner's representation dated
Page 47.
6, page
Good.
46, dated 6/12/2023 has already been disposed of. The decision taken should be communicated to the petitioner. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of. Other things, within 2 months otherwise. Decided. Within 2 months.
If not disposed.
If not disposal, so that will be done. Okay. Only that part has to be added.
Item 10.
May please, Lord. Madam, in this petition, madam, we have assigned an order dated 23/10/2024 by the impugn order.
Impugn order,
Yes, sir, page 30,
page.
page 31, madam. Wherein, my lord, that my representation was rejected, my lord, only sole ground that. The last paragraph, my
Yes.
Yes. Now, from the report of the CEO Golokans forwarded by the ADC to the, it appears that the fishery was affected by COVID-19 during 2019, 2020, 2021. What is the, if there's no, any fishery was granted any relief throughout the state solely on the ground of loss suffered during the pandemic COVID-19. Besides the report of on enforcement of the fishery by unknown neighbors is not very comprehensive. It is worth mentioning here that of is a matter of principle. Did not consider any relief under Rule 8B of the Assam Fishery Rule 1953 with remission of revenue or extension of leave due to pandemic COVID-19 as the nation as a whole was affected, and it would have been difficult to consider each and every case such of grant of relief. My lord, my case is that, my lord, where the statutory provision is there, my lord, 8B of the Fishery Rule 1953, my lord, an administrative order, my lord, without considering that aspect, my lord, it is, my lord, totally illegal and arbitrary, my lord. So, my lord, due consideration should be given, my lord, before passing of the order, my lord. And, my lord, wherein, my lord, your lordship has already cited order dated, my lord, 7/2024, page 29. A specific direction was given, my lord, relevant portion, my lord, at page 30, my lord. In view of the consent of the parties and the fact that the petitioner representation dated so and so has not been decided by the respondent number 1 till date. The respondent number 1 is directed to take a decision on the petitioner representation dated so and so on or before so and so, and communicate the decision taken to the.
Yes, what is to be done?
But not communicated, my lord, till that, my lord, we have taken through, my lord,
Maybe
RTS.
to notice the chair.
You see, there is only one problem.
One problem.
There is a notification issued on 29/6/2024. You know that notification where all the NITs with respect to huts, fisheries, everything was directed not to be proceeded with. All were cancelled. So no new fisheries could be given at any point of time. That decision, those cases have been decided. That's it. On 29/11. Last month.
Right.
Wherein the state government has been given the power to, has been allowed to continue to make a model NIT. And not allow the earlier settlement holders to continue. I think you have seen the judgment passed. Justice D. Barwa had passed it. Will that come into conflict with your case?
And statement notice may be issued, my lord, then, my lord, in the admission statement may and so on.
Then also it can be decided, lordship,
Because in that case, now, of course, only thing is that his extension
Yes.
prayer is under rule
8B of
8B.
subsection 1.
It's not on the basis of that 29/6/2020. It's a
Then
ALP.
also, I think he.
But it has been decided. It has been decided.
But
So
then
you're
also-
challenging that. How can you? That's a discretionary power.
But it is the statutory provision is there, my lord, 8.
Statutory provision is there, doesn't mean that just because there is a power to extend, that everyone should be given. It is a discretionary power.
Yes, my discretionary power, my
Then
lord, but, my lord, my case is that, my lord, that.
Due to the COVID.
8B, my lord, that They impugn order, my lord, they have not considered, they have not applied their, my lord, mind, my lord, before passing
They are
that
not in
order.
possession, Lordship, I think. They are not in possession like.
No, no tender has been issued till now.
But that they are legally no, they are not in possession.
They're not in possession.
No,
Are you in
but-
possession?
Not in possession, but my lord,
Then how can extension be
No, my
done?
lord,
The
but- but
line
before-
cannot be drawn, Lordship.
none of that earlier repetition has already, my lord, filed before the, my lord, during the tenure of my.
Yes,
No, but now it has been rejected and now you're not in position. Where's the question of extension?
But it is a
Extension
continuous
it will
process,
be
my lord.
direct.
Okay, we
settlement.
issue notice, that's all. No stay, nothing.
My lord,
Heard Mr. A.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. And then, so then you write, issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Okay, before that you write, the petitioner's counsel submits that the petitioner is no longer in possession of the fishery in question. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. P. Sharma accepts notice on behalf of the fishery department.
Yes, sir.
While Mr. S.R. Barua accepts notice on behalf of
Respondent number 2 and 4.
respondent number 2 and 4. List the matter after 4 weeks to enable the response to file the record.
Lordship 15 also similar. Lordship.
Huh?
My answer 15 also similar.
15, same, my lord.
Same fishery.
Okay,
And I think-
15 also similar.
But my lord,
Yeah, 15 you're not in possession again.
not, but my lord, if NIT, my lord, it should then, my whole matter will become impact.
Then you can always file an application
No,
for
we will
stay.
keep
No,
them
no,
at-
not at this stage. Not at this. It will not be, there will not be NIT because they have got to finalize their NIT. It will not happen.
It's a department, Lordship.
Just a minute. Okay. So item 15 will argue detention date.
Same respondent.
Same respondent. This one is already there in the file, huh? It's already there in the file.
Yeah, I feel it, Lordship.
Item,
My lord, I would like to withdraw this petition. Quickly, that.
and to withdraw. They'll be very happy.
No, Lordship has already decided this issue.
Okay, right. Heard, Mr.
Yes, I am.
Mr. S. A. Amit, learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that he would like to withdraw this writ petition with liberty to file a claim. Mr.
R. Bora, Lordship.
R. Bora appears for
For 1 and 2, Lordship.
1 and 2, while Mr. S. R. Bora appears for
3, 5 and 6.
3, 5 and 6. Mr. P. Naik appears for 4, 7 and 8. The prayer of the petitioner's counsel is allowed, writ petition is dismissed and withdrawn, with liberty as
Thirteen
well.
also. 13. 13 is also same, Lordship.
Huh?
No,
I think 12.
This case, the pursuant to the award of the labor court, my lord, the assistant labor commissioner is required to issue a certificate to the district commissioner concerned, who is required to recover the amount under the award from the management concerned. That is the limited prayer, my lord. They have not performed that duty, my lord, because this award is of 2022. Under 33C1, the 2 and 3, respondents 2 and 3 are required to issue.
So the award has been made under 33-2,
Yes.
33C2.
33C2, and thereafter the certificate is to be, my lords, furnished under 33C1 to the district commissioner, who will then recover it from the management concern. That will be, my lord, only. as
So
far
that's
as-
not been done.
That has not been done, because as of today, I am not aware as to whether I applied under the RTI.
You cannot go under the act. There is no alternative remedy.
There is a remedy, my lords, under 11(9), but that's an optional remedy, my lords. Again, I'll have to go to the labor court, again file, and my lords, execute it like a decree. But this is a much cheaper and efficacious remedy. That would be
Faster remedy.
faster remedy. I am more than 70 years old, my lord, as on date.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the official respondents are not performing their statutory duty under section 33(1)(c),
C1,
33(1)(c),
33C1.
33(c)(1) of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, for implementation of the award dated 29/22, passed by the Learned Labour Court, Assam, Kamrup M, in reference case number 1 of 2019, under section 33(c)(2). Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. S.R. Barwa accepts notice on behalf of
From respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by registered post daily within 3 days. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Extra copies to be.
13.
This is your land.
Yes, my lord. The issue has already been decided.
This is your land and this is your, where is the, let us see, how is it your land?
Land is, my lord, page 21, my lord.
Page
of the-
21.
Yes. This is the, my lord, type, translated copy, my lord.
Is Kumud Mishra.
Kumud Mishra. He is the owner. of
Out
the
here
land.
is Kumud Chandra Dev Mishra.
Kumud Chandra, yes. Kumud Chandra, Dev Mishra. And.
And the petitioner's name is Kumud, okay, at the rate of, at Elias. Okay. So you want to build a house here?
Lordship has already decided this issue. So
Correct.
regarding
So-
the 2% forest
So,
royalty,
so it has to go.
yes.
Yes, Mr.
37.
Mr. Naik, you're here. So it's covered? Okay, right. Mr. S. A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner had applied for building permission for constructing his own building in his own land covered by Pata number 141, DAG number 3547, having an area of 1 biga,
1 katha, my lord.
1 katha,
5.56 lessa, my
5.56 lecha.
lessa.
The petitioner's counsel submits that the GMC has directed the petitioner to pay 2% forest royalty in terms of the impugned communication dated 2/3/2023 issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam, Mines and Minerals Department, which has been set aside by this court, while judgment and order dated 24/9/24 passed in WPC 4085/2022. He accordingly submits that a direction should be issued to the GMC in directing them that they cannot claim 2% forest royalty on the due to the petitioner building his own house in his own property. Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel
R.
for
Bora.
R. Bora for
For 1 and 2, Lordship.
1 and 2, Mr. S. R. Barwa for
3, 5 and 6.
3, 5 and 6, and Mr. P. Nayak for 4, 7 and 8. Submit that. They have got no, they submit that they have got no quarrel with the submission made by the petitioner's counsel in view of the judgment passed by this court in WPC 4085/2024. Full stop. Next paragraph. In view of the fact that this is a covered matter and keeping in view the submissions made by the counsel for the parties, the GMC and other urban local bodies are informed that are directed not to impose 2% forest royalty on the petitioner due to the private construction to be made by him on his own land. In terms of the judgment passed in WPC 4085/2024. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of.
Apply.
He is a master in representation, Lordship.
They are not taking the issue, lordship. We have approved several times, lordship.
Why are you not also disposing?
I think in APC, I think all dispose of Lordship. I think their clients are not giving information properly. In almost all cases already being disposed of, not in government corporation. Lordship.
Okay, right. Right, Mr. M.K. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who submits that the petitioner's representation dated 27/5/2024 pray for refixing the yearly revenue of 47 number Morak Kolong Mean Mahal due to the loss suffered by the petitioner due to floods.
Damage to the fisheries.
Naturally, due to floods, has not been decided by the fishery department till date,
Corporation.
AFDC till date. He accordingly submits that the direction should be issued to the petitioner to the respondent number 3 to take a decision on the petitioner's representation dated 27/5/2024. Next para, Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Fisheries, AFDC submits that the petitioner's representation dated 27/5/2024 shall be decided, if not decided early. Mr. S.S. Roy appears for
6 and 7.
respondents number 6 and 7. Next para. On considering the submissions made by the counsel for the parties, the respondent number 3 directed to take a decision on the petitioner's representation dated 27/5/2024 within a period of
2 months.
2 months, if not decided early. If the decision taken, if any, should be communicated to the petition, the petition is accordingly disposed.
Like that.
Right, Mister?
For the timing,
No, what's your name?
my name is A. Ahmed,
Right, Mr. A.H. Ahmed, appearing on behalf of
Mr. S. Ali.
Mr. S. Alim, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that, the Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Assam, Education Department, and Commissioner Secretary to the Government of Assam Finance Department should be pleaded as respondents number 6 and 7. The prayer of the applicant's counsel is not objected to by Ms.
H. Terang,
H.
Terangpi.
Terangpi. Learned counsel appearing for
Point number 4, Your Lordship.
respondent number 4. Accordingly, so are pleaded as respondents number 6 and 7. Petitioner shall serve a corrected copy of the cost title with the registry within a week. Within 5 days. Within 5 days. The IA is accordingly allowed and disposed of. Then in the main case, you write. Heard. So you have filed your affidavit.
Yes.
No, 2. Who's for 2?
PWD, Your Lordship.
The 4 is who? Who is 4?
Lordship for the director, Your Lordship. Secondary education, Your Lordship.
So who is for 4? Who is the counsel for 4?
I'm appearing for 4, Your Lordship.
Now, if you have for 4, so the bill has been submitted to you.
Yes, Your Lordship. But
What is your stand?
yet to receive the instructions, Your Lordship.
What instruction? You have to take instructions, demand the instructions from them. Correct. In view of the order dated 6/12/2024, passed in IAC number 3597 of 2024. The Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department and Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Finance Department have been pleaded as respondents number 6 and 7. Who is going to receive a notice for
Pinaya,
7? Miss
H. Barwa.
H. Barwa, appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Nayak, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 7. Then who is appearing for number 6, education?
I'm appearing, Lordship.
Miss
H. Terangpi.
H. Terangpi accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 6. Good start. Next card, you like. Only the respondent number 2 has submitted an affidavit, which is to the effect that the demand for the outstanding liability claimed by the petitioner amounting to rupees 1,11,99,655 has been submitted to the Director of Secondary Education, Assam. Full stop. The respondent number 4 shall accordingly file affidavit within
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. This is a matter of 2 weeks. Yes, madam, what to do?
Lordship, the matter listed before this honorable court after a very long interval,
I
Lordship.
know. We'll give you time.
Lordship,
No one appears for the petition on call. Miss
S. Kumar,
Escobar,
Education-
appearing for
Education Department,
the Education Department is granted 4 weeks time
Lordship.
to obtain instruction and file affidavit. This is the matter of the 4 weeks.
Matter pertaining to the settlement of fishery. They were asked to give a report by yesterday.
It has been settled, Lordship.
Have been settled. So this can be closed
Yes, Lordship may dispose of accordingly.
in view of this order. What is this?
Lordship, I will give it to you. My mobile got switched off, Lordship. I give it. Nothing ordered.
So that fishery has been settled with you.
Yes, Lord.
So nothing remains.
It's nothing.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. P. Sharma.
Yes, Ahmed.
Yeah?
Yes, Ahmed.
Yes, Ahmed. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the number 14/15 Nishari Haria Nadi fishery in Nagaon district has been settled with the petition. As such, the writ petition can be closed as it has become infructuous. Mr. P. Sharma appears for the fishery department.
Yes, Lord.
What is this letter?
This is a settlement order, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. appears for the fishery department and has submitted the settlement order dated 4/12/2024.
It is amongst others, Lordship. I think in the second part, sorry, Haria.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, Doctor.
Mr. S. Datta appears for the PNRD. And Ms. Udas appears for respondents number 3 and 6. The settlement order dated 4/12/2024 is made a part of the record and marked as Annexure X. In view of the submission made by the council for the parties, the writ petition is closed as effective.
Okay, Lordship.
Can we close?
Yes, yes.
Nothing survive? Yes?
No one.
What? No, yes?
Judgment dated 29/11/2024, my lord.
Correct. So because, so there's nothing that the order passed here will be in line with that order,
Yes.
29/11/24,
yes.
correct? Okay, heard, Mr.
Yes, Rahman.
S. Raman, learned counsel for the petition. Huh?
It's become infractions actually.
Correct, it's becoming infractions. Heard Mr. S. Raman, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for the respondent number,
PNRD.
for the PNRD. And Mr. H. Amit for respondent number? 4. Good stuff. The counsels for the parties submit that the writ petition has become infructuous in view of the order dated 29/11/2024 passed by this court in WPC in a batch of writ petition, the lead case being WPC 5993 of 2024. Good stuff. They accordingly submit that this case would can be disposed of in line with the judgment and order passed in WPC 599C, 2024. Full stop. Next para. On the para what? Para
37, man.
Huh?
37.
Para 37 of WP of the judgment an order passed in WPC 5993 of 2024 states as follows. Full stop. In view of the above extract of the judgment passed in 5993 2024, the writ petition is closed as infructuous.
Interim order may be taken.
Interim order passed earlier stands vacated. Why do we have to mention that? No need. Don't say that. You're making it a habit.
My lord.
You see, later on, we might miss out and they will think that every time we have got to pass an order. Don't say that interim order. It's once
My
it
lord.
gets merged.
My lord.
Yes, madam.
And the affidavit yesterday, madam.
Oh, yes.
I said, no. Copy to go, copy to
Have you read the affidavit? You have admitted the amount.
Admitted the amount, my lord, except that 20%, my lord.
Oh,
168
settlement.
settlement, my lord.
Yes, so what is your submission? Is okay, can we dispose it of or what?
Date may be fixed, another date may be fixed.
Why your senior?
So,
Where is your senior?
he is suffering from fever.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Mr.
A guy.
A. Gayan, please that the matter may be adjourned as his senior is suffering from fever. So Ms. Yudas submits that affidavit in the position has been filed yesterday
Yesterday.
and they have admitted and the respondents have admitted their liability except for the
25.
settlement of the claim
Claim.
by subtracting 20%
My lord.
of the bill,
High.
of the bill amount.
My lord.
List the matter. After?
Date may be fixed, my lord, this next week.
Okay, next week.
March of April.
Give that back.
Here, my lord, I have sent for waiting, my lord, the affidavit, my lord. Maybe
Okay.
it's next week, my lord.
Okay, Ms. Yudas, and learned counsel for the respondent number 1 to 6 submits that the parawise, the affidavit has been sent for waiting
Waiting, my lord.
and list the matter on 16.
March of April.
Are you filing or are you filing?
The issue is simple.
Huh?
Issue is simple, Lordship. As to whether they will get the benefits under the PPP, the public procurement policy, whether works contract can get the benefit of PPP. Lordship, in affidavit, the Ministry of MSME has clearly said that works contract will not come under the purview. And Lordship, there are different judgments of various high courts. It just said that works contract will not get the benefit of the PPP policy.
Lordship is pleased to come to annexure it. Lordship, again, are we still a writ petition? Lordship, the communication between MSME and GAIL, your Lordship.
Only problem is, okay, one last chance will give them.
Lordship.
One last chance.
Lordship.
One last chance. You cannot delay this matter.
Lordship. Nothing remains, Lordship.
Okay, how much time?
2 weeks, after vacation. Lord. We'll file in the meantime.
Okay, Mr.
And Gautam Lodge.
N. Gautam, learned counsel for the petitioner, is granted one last chance to file reply affidavit. To the affidavit filed by the respondent number one. Number one,
Number one.
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 2,
Mr.
HK Sharma.
So what have you got to do?
Today morning, we just received the affidavit. One day, my lord, we
You'll file what?
affidavit.
Affidavit in a position.
My
Mr.
HK Sharma.
H.K. Sharma submits that he'll be filing affidavit in affidavit in a position today,
Aye.
during the course of the day. Have you given copy?
No,
That's point number two, na? So you file if you're going to file. Give him a copy today. Mr. So shall, H.K. Sharma shall serve a copy of the affidavit in a position to the petitioner's counsel during the course of the day.
Copy will be provided to me also, one copy.
Not given to any either,
not yet filed, my lord. At the
not, but you're going to file today, so you have to give them by today.
Yes.
Okay, then decide. Mr. N. Gautam may file affidavit in reply to the affidavit to be filed by the respondent number two. In the meantime, this is the matter on. Actually,
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, my presence may kindly be recorded.
Mr. S. Mitra appears for the respondent number one.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
24. So we have filed a reply today and
When did you file?
they only have served the copies today. Lordship,
The other interim respondent number.
Lordship, I'll just, if I'm allowed to give it by hand to you, Lordship, because I haven't come on record.
24.
Can we take it up for disposal?
Huh?
He's for 23, I'm for 24, my.
Uh-huh.
Because today I made my appearance.
Okay,
So I needed 2 weeks time to my file the affidavit because some allegations are against me.
Am I even for morning? Lots of, we have urgency, lots of, 2 weeks is too long period, lots. Because lots of this social survection is coming any moment, lots. And Guwahati, as a social survection report is repetition is very bad, lots. We are trying to improve is very sincerely. So with 23, I'm ready, may not be waited. That area is a very important place, lots with GS.
he's,
To 24, madam.
he's not, you're ready.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, 23 is ready.
Yes, madam.
Now, 24 is not ready.
Okay, but we are protecting his interests otherwise. Also. I am appearing for the day.
So you all decide between you two.
That's okay, my lord. He's protecting me, but there is an allegation against me of fraud that I have to go through it.
You can make oral submissions also.
Okay, lordship. You can, if he's ready.
If Lordship is not even taking today also, Lordship, because he has filed the affidavit just now.
Naturally, I haven't seen it.
So I'm
I
going for
thought-
tomorrow, Lord.
No,
Lordship,
not
I
tomorrow.
understand the urgency, Lord.
Tomorrow, I'm not coming. You can come. I'm not coming.
I'm sorry. On Monday, Lord. On Monday. On Monday, Lord. So we have some real urgency. I think that's probably what else of interest.
Monday. Any day, Lordship, I'm ready.
All the cases, all urgent.
Just tender matter, Lord. In all other places, because of LOCs are walking, Lord, except these two packages, 9 and 13.
Collection of garbage.
Yes.
When can you file the affidavit?
As he has said that he is protecting me.
Protecting means we
No, no, because I'm going to record that they are not going to file.
Yeah. So my lord, let it be on Monday. I was.
Because I don't want you all to, during the course of the hearing,
Monday,
you
my
all,
lord, I'll try to file within Monday, my lord.
then the petitioner will take time. 100% he'll take time because he has to read. So either you are going to file or you're not going to file, you're going to clear.
Fine, my lord.
You have to file. Then we cannot do it on Monday. He cannot file it today, that's for sure.
Let it be on
We
Wednesday.
can do it on Thursday.
Yes, yes. By Monday.
for disposal and lots of.
Naturally, we'll try. Since you are asking for it,
Yes, yes. On
which doesn't, from this side hardly ask for early disposals. But since they'll ask for it, we'll try and dispose it on Thursday.
let it be on Thursday.
So, you're not going to file, any other thing, no? Everything is ready in that item 23 is ready.
Yes, madam.
Item 23 is ready for disposal.
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
Then we can hear it now also.
But Lordship, the issue is similar. It's only about the abnormally low rates which was.
Oh, so it might affect him.
Yeah. There is a threshold. If you give me a copy of the
Otherwise,
affidavit.
Lordship, in our affidavit, Lordship, we have justified the rate, Lordship.
Yeah, naturally.
Even his rate is less than below the base mark, Lordship.
Okay.
He's 25%, my lord.
Even his.
We are willing to pay the additional security, which is not calculated.
Yes,
properly.
base rate was fixed, Lordship, at ₹50, Lordship. Even his rate.
Anyway, we'll take it up with the, but only problem is, if we take up your case 23.
Yes.
It will automatically affect him.
Yes, Lordship.
Right, okay, right. Item 23, yeah. Item 23, the counsels for the parties submit that the pleadings are complete. The counsel for the parties in WPC 5115. No, the parties for the counsel for the parties submit that the pleadings are complete. That's all. Accordingly, leave this matter on Thursday.
Yes, my lord.
Tuesday, no. Tuesday 10th. Tuesday, I cannot.
On Thursday.
Okay.
On Thursday.
Mr. And then item 30, item 24. A. Bhattacharjee appearing for the respondent number 3. Submit that he will submit affidavit in a position by
Monday.
Monday. By 9th. By 9. Full stop. List the matter on same date. The petitioner may file affidavit in reply.
Yes, sir.
In the meantime. But you make sure that it is given to him.
We have filed already for this.
No, for the 24, item 24. In his affidavit.
Lordship will kindly continue the interim orders.
Interim order to continue till the next day.
Obliged.
25.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, in this matter, I have received instruction. It's a long, pairwise comments, Lordship.
So, but the issue is small.
In short, Lordship, what they are telling me that he has never applied or approached the authority for return of the EMD.
Now he has applied.
Now let him file an application. before-
No, it has come here to court.
Instead of going to the authority, he has come to the court, Lordship.
Huh?
So they are saying whenever he comes to the
No,
authority, Lordship, he
we
can
will,
be-
we will direct. So it is admitted that the EMD is with you.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you direct, they will direct that it should be paid.
118, this is the representative.
No, if that is the issue, if the facts are.
Others
clear,
have approached, they have been returned, Lordship.
So he
He has not.
You
applied, it is
why
in the
didn't you
file.
approach?
Page 118.
So in fact, it is not even in our account also. The money is in an account. It's a fixed deposit, Lordship. Only the receipt is with us.
Fixed deposit in some individual's name or what?
In-
In one of the engineer's name or something?
In our name, Lordship,
Whose name?
GMC authority.
And page 115, this is the
So it's an earnest money deposited
honest
in our
money
name.
deposit. And
So let
there is-
him approach Lordship within 1
No,
minute.
already
it will be
I have
released,
approached Palar page 118,
118 is here.
duly acknowledged, my lord.
I don't know, Lordship,
Then
but
however-
that-
No, we'll direct you to deposit the money here in the registry.
With
That's all.
interest, my
No, he will only take back the receipt, Lordship, nothing else. Fixed deposit receipt, Lordship. That is, he can anytime encase that report. It's a fixed deposit slip, Lordship, deposited in the name of the GMC authority.
So you give that,
We will only return the same to the.
so
petitioner.
please give it to him. What
It
is
will
so
be given,
difficult?
Lordship. Within 1 week time, it will be given. And just the question.
So we'll
is
list it
approach-
after 1 week. You give it to him by next week. Otherwise, I'm calling those officers. You cannot do like this. Mr. Kaur.
It's, I'm sincerely submitting, Lordship. It is not their fault, Lordship. Let him approach the authority. Others have.
This
approached, they
letter
have
is
returned.
here.
118.
Why should I do it? 118 is here. This letter is here. And forget that. Now he's come to court. Why should I send him back? There's nothing like that. Correct. Heard. Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P. Nair, learned counsel for the GMC. The petitioner's grievance is that his earnest money deposit, bracket EMD, has not been returned to him, despite the contract having been already allotted to one of the one of the tenderers pursuant to the tender notice dated 12/7/2021 issued by the GMC for invert commas construction of compost and RDF plant of 150 TPD brackets mixed municipal solid waste bracket close at Sonai Guli, Guwahati, Assam on EPC mode. Invert commas close. This is at order dated 3/10/24. Pusta. Next para. Mr. P. Nayak, learned counsel for the petitioner submit, for the GMC submits that the earnest money deposit slip is with the GMC and the said EMD had not been returned to the petitioner as the petitioner had not approached the authorities in the GMC. Pusta. Next. Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that page 118 of the writ petition contains the representation dated 4/8/2023 submitted by the petitioner to the municipal commissioner, GMC for return of the EMD. Next paragraph. On considering the above facts, it is clear that the EMD has not been returned by the GMC to the petitioner. Accordingly, the commissioner, the GMC, the respondents number 2, 3, 4, all the respondents are directed to ensure that the EMD is returned to the petitioner within 1 week from today. List the matter on next Friday.
My lord, with interest, my lord, because that has been deposited before the bank at 5% interest from 2000.
Huh?
Page 115, this is the draft
No,
with
no.
5% interest.
That you go civil court. We'll see. We'll see.
Supplementary, 45.
Apply. If they don't pay by next week, by during this week, interest will put interest.
The non-payment of supply bill,
Item
item 45, subbill.
45. Okay. Yes.
On the last page. Okay. I have segmented the conclusion portion, pink flag, my lord.
So has it been supplied or not?
Yes, lordship, the conclusion part, my lord, may kindly handle it.
Yes. Well, this, Nirmal. What is the confusion?
Conclusion is though several attempts have been made to clear the bills, that they have approached the finance department, finance did not with the sanction, because without any prior approval from the finance department, then director had issued the supply orders without any tendering process.
So what action are you taking as the director?
Yes, this matter is pending before his honorable court. They will take action. Lordship, may kindly have a look. The third last.
So they were issued supply orders
order,
without approval of the government,
finance department. Yes.
finance department.
This is the problem. Then the third para, Lordship, the last page.
Uh.
Further notice that the then honorable minister, my lord, has got it. Third from last below.
Where?
Third from below, my lord, page 15, last,
15.
this conclusion portion only. This conclusion portion,
yes.
my lord. Before, above the signature, Lordship, third from below. Further notice that.
You see, unless you see, that, you see, the thing is that you have not taken any action against the director.
Yes.
If you are taking action against the director, saying that this was beyond his power and all, that is a different thing. But you're not taking any action, so why shouldn't you pay?
The director has forwarded to the bills to the finance 2-3 times, but finances cannot not sanction only debt ground, Lordship. There is no prior approval from the finance department. That's right. My lord may kindly clarify and Lordship may kindly observe the erring officials should be
No, that is your job. Why should I do it?
with the.
You file an affidavit first to this effect.
No, already filed.
No, with regard to their finding. With regard to whether approval of the finance department and other nodal department had been taken for supply of the seeds. What about the secretary to secretary to this department?
So regarding that, I have filed affidavit.
You see, this is by the which department is this?
WMD, but directorate
Yeah.
has done all these things.
Women and Child Development,
Welfare Minorities Development.
Welfare Minorities Development. If that is the case, then did the approval of the secretary was taken or not?
No.
Huh?
No, Lordship. This is the
Approval of
problem.
secretary not taken. Approval of minister not taken.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Ministers, I'm not sure. But the
Huh? Madam, we have got to see.
Lordship,
Is
in
it-
the page 124, I have filed an affidavit that we have written, my lord.
What?
Paragraph 5. That the deponent begs to submit that there was not no any financial sanction erected by the then director of Saurias Development before allotment of the work in question. So without any financial sanction, the director has issued the work order. Affidavit you have already filed, my lord. After that, department has done this inquiry with all the stakeholders. And
No, I want to know if the approval of the secretary or joint secretary, additional secretary, or someone was taken.
then that instruction I will get and file an additional
Yeah.
affidavit, my lord.
Because director is not the government.
Yes.
Government is under secretary, deputy secretary, all these.
Sure.
So if their approval has been taken,
The amount is too large, my lord.
correct, Miss MD Bora.
So these are the internal matters. Lordship, I have already supplied this and all production is used. So this is the admitted amount and government.
You see, what, you see, one way of looking at it is that you and the director are cheating the government.
But because the department is also given.
In agriculture department, who gave you the order? Director?
Chori is developed.
Huh?
Chori-
Chori-
As if the seed corporation is also a necessary party because then director has
Chori is,
communicated with the seed
developed-
corporation.
So who gave you the supply order?
The department is also.
Show me which department. Show me the supply order.
Supply the Chori is development, directorate of the.
Right,
agriculture.
right. Miss MD Bora, Learned Council shall obtain instructions as to whether the secretary to the government of Assam,
WMD department.
WMD,
Department.
had given approval for issuance of the supply order.
Okay, I will bring it on a record, my lord.
Huh?
I will bring it on a record.
By bringing the official reports. combined as much as the file that has been brought by the council today indicates that no approval of the finance department had been taken prior to issuance of the supply order. This is the matter after notification.
Unless that's it.
Date may be this week.
Give a date, huh?
January after Diwali.
After Bihu.
Unless the
46 to 48.
Make it easier. My lord, deputation filed by water resource.
Admitted amount.
Yes. Now, if your lordship.
Now it has to be but re-verified.
Now, that is something that my learned friend appearing for the revenue and disaster management had on the last occasion also submitted, that it is in process and thereafter it will be disbursed. So my humble prayer is that in view of that instruction that he has, it can be disposed of with the directions in a time frame, in a time bound. My lord. Wait.
Show me, what is the instruction?
Last of them we have submitted on.
Huh?
Last of them we have submitted on which section was it? 3/9/2024. It is in the record also. First page also. We put out order this. 3/9/2024.
Okay, that's 3/9.
Yes,
I've
sir.
got 3/9.
Yes.
3/9, okay. This is for all the three petitions.
No, logic. Separate.
No,
separate
you have got, give me all three.
Contention is same.
Huh?
Contention are same logic.
Contention is the same.
Maybe, but then I want in the all different. Acha, out here there are two repetitions.
Yes.
Okay.
3 repetitions, one already in the.
Correct. In one letter, two repetitions are mentioned. One,
One.
correct.
Date is defined.
Right. Heard Mr. D. Chakrabarti, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner was given contract works under the Water Resource Department for restoration caused by the first wave of flood in Kachar district. The petitioner's counsel submits that the contractual dues of the petitioner amounting to rupees 185,923.22 has not been paid. Okay, before that, heard Mr. D. Chakrabarti, the counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S. Datta for
Respondent number 2, 5 and 6.
2, 5 and 6. Miss Yudas for respondent number 7 and Miss D. Miss D. Jain for. Yes, sir, Miss D. Jain for Water Resource Department. Better to say department. Water Resource Department and Mr. M. Buya for Finance Department. And Mr. Datta, you are for whom?
And for revenue department.
Revenue Department. Don't give the respondent number.
Deputy Commissioner.
And Miss Yudas for Deputy Commissioner. Huh? Next. They submit. And now then Mr. D. Chakrabarti says so. Huh? Then next para, Miss D. Jain, learned counsel for the Water Resource Department, submits that the claim of the petitioner has been found to be correct and the necessary documents have been sent to the District Disaster Management Authority for disbursement of the dues of the petition. Next para. Yes, for anything.
Send to the
Revenue Department for necessary action required to make payment to the aforesaid contractor.
Ms. Udas also submits that the necessary documents have been sent, have thereafter been sent to the
Revenue and Disaster Management
Revenue and Disaster Management authorities
by letter dated 9/1.
for the disbursement of the payments to the petitioner. Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for the Revenue Department, has submitted letter dated 3/9/2024, which is to the effect that the demand proposal against the scheme has been received in the department and is under process for release of bills following due procedure. Next paragraph. I have heard the counsels for the parties. The submissions made by the counsel for the parties and the affidavit filed by the Water Resource Department goes to show that the amount claimed by the petitioner is an admitted amount. Further, in terms of the letter dated 3/9/2024, issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam Revenue and DM Department, the demand proposal is under process for release of bills. The letter dated 3/9/2024 is made a part of the record and marked as an Annexure X. In view of the above reasons, the respondent number, who is to disperse?
Revenue Department will sanction the amount and DC will disburse that. Revenue
The-
Department-
The Revenue and DM Department is directed to sanction the amount payable to the petitioner within a period of
4 months.
4 months.
3 months perhaps, madam.
3 months.
Three.
3 months from the date of receipt of a copy of this order. And the, who is to give?
Respond number 7.
And the respondent number 7 shall thereafter disburse the same within a further period of 1 week. That is, further period of 1 week. The writ petition is accordingly disposed of. Then
Next item, only the amount will be different.
amount is how much?
31,25,759.
And then out here, the letter dated 31/8/2024, issued by same person, okay? Joint Secretary, sir. And this will be Annexure X also. Everything is safe. Okay. Annexure X. This you have got to make into, we need one more copy, there's only one. Give me one more. A third one, how much is the amount?
4,79,076.
All same. The second and third are same. Second and third are same. It's in the letters are inside.
My lord, in this case, we filed an IA in 21 for impeding the, my lord, successor in the office of the contemner.
Item,
Item 26. Today it has been listed, my lord. Possibly these people are also not there. So what we'll have to do, my lord, if in the meanwhile, these contemners have changed, we'll have to demand of them the implementation of the order, then only we can bring them on record. So I pray for 4 weeks time.
just a minute.
The operative portion of the order is at page 30.
No, I'm looking at the IA.
Yes.
Please give me the IA.
IA was filed on 7/4/21
For what?
for, my lord, implementing the successor in the office of the contemner. Revenue Department.
Okay, right. In the main case, you're right, Mr. K. Chaudhary submits that he needs time to verify as to whether the respondents are still holding the post. In as much as this case has been listed after 15/3/2019. Today. Has been listed after 4 years, after 5 years. 5 years. Since 15/3/2009. This is the matter when,
After 4 weeks.
this is the matter after 4 weeks.
27.
This is infractuous. No one appears for the petitioner. Mr. S. that Leonard counsel for the PNRD submits that the settlement, the challenge to the settlement of the GHAT with the respondent number 8 was for a period from 1/7/18 to 36/2019. Accordingly, the writ petition has become infructuous. So on considering the fact that no one appears for the petitioner, the writ petition is dismissed for non-prosecution.
But in this case, when a container number 1 is going to change, and for that reason, we supposed to file IA.
Correct. You were supposed to file long time back.
Due to some difficulties, there was petition is not cooperating with us. That's why.
Petition not cooperating with you. Then what do you expect this court to do?
Well, and some more time may be granted.
To do what?
We'll try further.
To do what? To mend the offenses with the petitioner? You cannot go on your own,
Well,
in this case, without the petitioner's consent.
yes. Some more time may be granted. We'll convince the
Mr.
care on.
K. Raman, Leonard counsel for the petitioner submits that. Submits what?
Well, some more time may be granted. We'll file IML for improvement.
Submits that, he needs some more time to communicate with the petitioner.
Yes.
Accordingly, list this matter on. Give it is. You communicate, you tell him whether you are going to withdraw or not withdraw. You cannot do halfway.
31 and 32.
In the first contempt 6/24/2020, the respondent has not yet filed a affidavit below. Because this order of.
Are they still the respondents?
Doctor, respondent number 2 has already been retired. One is there, my lord. I am for respondent number 3, Lord. Doctor, kindly this matter may come with WPC number 3313/2024, Lord.
3313/2024.
Lord.
Five.
Similar matter, Lord. Same petitioner, Lord.
Oh. Okay, right. Miss,
R. Goswami.
huh?
R.
Mr.
Goswami.
R. Goswami appears for the petitioner. Mr.
R.S. Ronghan.
R.S. Ronghan appearing for the respondent number 3 submits that the petitioner number 2 has retired.
Lord.
Respondent number 2 has retired.
Lord.
What about petition, respondent number 1?
One is also retired. One and 2 is retired, Lord.
Respondent number 1 and 2 has retired.
And they should have filed their affidavit long back because it's a matter of 2019.
And this Samsung, this respondent number 3, still the executive engineer?
Lord, it is there.
It's still there. Okay, right. You file a implement application then. List this matter. after 4 weeks, along with WPC 3313 of 2024.
William.
Okay. 33, 36. May I please, Lordship? Respondent authority has filed opposition in affidavit. I will file counter, Lordship. Kindly, my humble prayer before your Lordship to give some time to file my counter.
Counter?
Counter.
You mean reply?
Reply, Lordship.
So this 5 and 6 are a private school,
Yeah.
Government.
Government.
government school.
Yes, government. Otherwise,
Yes,
Lordship, in
huh?
item number 34, we have disputed the
Amount.
Yes, not amount. We have released the amount to one of the employee. We have handed over the check to one of the employee introduced by the petitioner. So we have disputed the statement and
How did you give the check? It was not a cross check.
Lordship, he's not our employee. I will clear all my counter, Lordship.
Okay. Mr.
B. Kaklari, Lordship.
B. Khaklari, learned counsel for the petitioner, is granted. How much time?
10 days,
Only? Okay.
Lordship.
Are you sure? You take more also, no problem, but you file.
Lordship, January, Lordship.
Okay. Is granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Correct?
Lordship.
To the affidavit filed by the respondent number?
5 and 6.
Five.
All the respondents have filed the affidavit of opposition.
Uh,
The Carvin Autonomous Council.
To the affidavits filed by the respondents. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Replies. Lordship, item 35, 36, I have not received their affidavit.
Lordship, he has not supplied it. I am only appearing in one.
Huh? Mr. R.S. Rohan appearing for the respondent number 2, 3 and 4 shall supply the affidavits. The affidavit in position. Affidavits in a position to the petitioner's counsel within 3 days.
Okay.
Replies. 37.
Mr. Nayak, your stand is now taking a different turn.
Yes, Lordship. Here they have taken the stand that on the basis of date of submission of bills, his position comes at serial number 30,
29.
up to 29 cleared.
Huh?
Up to 29 cleared, Lordship. Authority can only accommodate up to serial number 29. So the list I am holding, Lordship, his name is showing at serial number 30.
But in last time you said that he was at serial number
Now-
7.
Now they are saying that that list was not prepared following the date of submission of bill. So that is the stand.
Okay, right. No one appears for the petitioner. Mr. P. Nayak has submitted, Mr. P. Nayak, learned counsel for the respondent number 2 submits that the placement of the petitioner in the list of contractors who were supposed to receive their outstanding dues has been changed. Inasmuch as the latest list has been made on the basis of the bills, on the basis of the date of submission of bills. He submits that as per the latest list, the petitioner is now at serial number 30.
Yes.
However, due to fund, however, uh, uh, serial numbers 1 to 29 have been accommodated as they came within the fund allotment. They came with, they could be given their bills from the fund allocated for the same. He submits that in terms of the letter number BTC/WCR, no, BTC/WR
Yes.
dash 1016/2017/85 dated 5/12/24 issued by the Joint Secretary, BTC. The petitioner would be accommodated in the financial year 2024 dash, no, 2025-26.
Starting from April, Lordship.
List the matter. After the BU vacation.
I was there in the item number 37.
Huh?
I was like in some other appointment. Item 37.
37 finished.
Fine.
Acha, this is a pin. They have given now a new thing.
Fine.
Now he's saying that the bill, yeah, come too late now. The others have to, you come in the after the vacation.
Fine. I will come. Okay.
Well, not time for the respondents here.
What to do? Is it the bench for matter, this one?
I'm not even sure, but you lost it on earlier.
I know. Whether he died during service or after service.
He died.
But petitioner is not here, what to do?
That should be after the BU.
Right, no one appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. P.K. Roy, Leonard Senior Counsel appears for the EPFO.
The lordship.
List the matter after the BU vacation.
These two matters, the pleadings are complete. In fact, in the review petition, we have filed the rejoinder yesterday. That has not come in about. The lordship may fix it on a hearing base. This is likely to take some time.
One thing, we have got some urgency.
The urgency is there on our part also.
Either way, someone should get the work today. Proceed. Otherwise, we have not prepared anything. So what I pray also may take up any day or possible today itself after the.
No. What do you think?
Then, well, any-
All your cases are urgent.
No,
I mean,
so where
most
this
of the
one-
cases.
Well, regarding.
I'm having difficulty completing my order.
Lost.
In that case, let it be fixed on 12th, it's a hearing day.
No,
No.
we have fixed too many.
Well, let it be on 17th, even 12th I'll be not there. 17th is not it.
I don't. Huh?
There's some urgency on our
No,
part.
there's a lot of urgent matters.
Yeah,
There's lots.
Part of
We have got-
everybody, even we are keen to do the work.
Everyone wants to do, and we are also not.
I appreciate it.
But then we cannot. you see
Then on
the-
19th,
No, 19th. 19th, I'll be sitting for a short time only, then I'm pushing on.
in that case, Milord, 7th January.
Yeah.
You will kindly record one line, my submission, then some urgencies there.
That urgency is there on our part.
Expressed.
There's an interim order against us.
Regarding construction of a medical.
Okay, we'll try on 17th. Let's see
Ah,
what happens.
yes,
We'll have a
yes.
small idea. But we have fixed a lot of matters. I think.
If possible, we'll take a chance. Let it be on 7th.
17th, we will list it, but if it does, cannot happen, cannot happen.
Yes.
Leave the matter on 17th. No, this say counsel for the parties submit that the pleadings are complete and accordingly the matter can be disposed of. List the matter on 17th.
Like interim order will continue.
Interim order to continue to.
The rejoinder in the review has not come on record. That may also be.
It's okay. Registry to place on record the rejoinder and review.
In the review.
Rejoinder in the review petition.
Right.
Subject matter.
The rejoinder affidavit in the review petition.
41.
Otherwise, we could have heard it today also. Mr. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. You all want to hear it today?
Otherwise, I didn't have. That rejoinder has also not come. Let it be on 17th.
70.
Because today I am quite free after lunch.
Let it be on 17. Lordship should take some rest also.
Yeah, you are going to push me on 17th then.
But at least today, Lordship, Friday also weekend.
Okay, whatever. Yes, madam.
So I'm appearing on behalf of RB Bora.
Any objection to the application for improvement? Right. No, no one appears for the applicant on call. Applicant on call. This is an application for the treatment of Sri Akash Deep IAS so and Sri Padmananda Chaudhary so okay, as respondents number 3 and 4. Miss
S. Boro on behalf of.
S.
Boro.
Boro appearing on behalf of Miss RB Boro. Learned counsel for the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2 submit that she has got no objection to the application being allowed. Accordingly, accordingly, so is imperial response number 3 and 4. Applicant to submit corrected copy of the past title to the registry within 3 days, within 5 days. List them is accordingly allowed and disposed of. Miss, what is your name?
J. Das on behalf
Miss
of.
J. Das appears on behalf of Miss
Mr. Ardhar.
Mr.
Ardhar.
Ardhar, learned counsel for the applicant. She submits, okay, she submits. So then, in the main case, you write, in view of the order dated 6/12/2024, passed in IAC 3622 of 2024, so and so and so and so, imperial response number 3 and 4. Issue notice to the response number 3 and 4. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the response number 3 and 4 by registered court with AD within 5 days. This is a matter after 4 weeks. We get here.
This is the matter where there was a PF dues that were due and payable to the ex-employees of Hindustan Paper Cooperative. So notice was issued. I believe the replies have to come and instructed.
Lordship, I am for respondent number 1, Lordship.
So,
Lordship, my senior Mrs. Agan has undergone a surgery, Lordship.
who?
Mrs. Agan, Lordship.
What surgery?
Lordship, uterus, Lordship.
Okay.
Can be listed after vacation, Lordship.
What about the other respondents?
I'm for the air issue.
The ID affidavit will file. What about you? You had a respondent number? Okay, right. Petitioner's counsel is present. First up. Adjournment prayer has been made on behalf of Miss A. Gayan, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. Come on the ground that she has undergone surgery. Mr. What's up?
DJ Boro on behalf of JK Goswami.
Mr. DJ Boro appearing on behalf of Mr.
JK Goswami.
JK Goswami, learned counsel for the
Respondent number 4.
respondent number 4. Is granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in the position. Then Mr. Yes, Your name? Mr. N. Kalita, appearing for the respondent number 3, submits that the respondent number 3 will not be filing any affidavit. Mr. S. Roy, appearing for the respondent number 2, is granted. It submits that respondent number 2 will not be filing any affidavit. Accordingly, leave this matter after 4 weeks.
Can I fix the date?
Give a date.
Second. 44.
Yes, what is to be done here?
Services company a lot to file activity.
Lordship, as per Lavazima Code Record 212. The notice upon as per number 2 and 3 years seems to be complete, though no.
Has been completed. So this can be,
It is delivered to their address.
so then this can be disposed of.
This-
Yeah, you have to file affidavit.
I'm a formal party. They are the main respondent.
Also, it'll be ex parte.
Yes. They will appear, I think. No,
Lordship, let's fix it some other.
though no
Otherwise-
ID card is received, but it seems the
No, they have got
Notice
track
has
report,
been-
track
Huh?
report, I checked up track report and said supervision company. With the
As per the track
on the
report.
lodge, what I appeared and it said.
No, but what to do? Can we dispose in their absence?
no.
Let on 27, let it be fixed on 27 January.
Okay, right. Third, Mr. P. Chowdhury, land counsel for the petitioner. Ms. M. D. Bora appears for
That's for number 1.
respondent number 1. As per Lavazima Court order dated 2/12/2024, service in respect of the respondent number 2 and 3 has been stated to be complete. In view of the postal tract consignment report showing that notice has been delivered to the respondents number 2 and 3 on 28/11/2024 and 29/11/2024 respectively. Full stop. In the, no one appears for the registrar. In the interest of justice, list the matter again on 27 January.
Please, my lord.
That is